Hello everyone, welcome back to SRBPS online classes. This is again Nisha Sharma going to teach you science for class 4th. In today's class we are going to discuss that what does a plant need to make food? What does a plant need to make food? See, plant is the only living being which make it food on its own. Your mother is also cooking food. Let's say she is making rice. So what does she need for making rice? She needs some rice, water and gas stove. Then only you will get tasty rice. In the same way, plants also need some ingredients for making food. What are these? These are sunlight, water and minerals and carbon dioxide. And one more thing which is important. What is that? A plant must be of green color. Then only it can make food. So we can say it also must have chlorophyll. Clear? So how does the plant get these all ingredients? Let's discuss. First, sunlight. How does a plant get sunlight? A plant gets sunlight with the help of leaves. As you know, leaves are flat and these are green in color. Why? Because they have chlorophyll inside it. This chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight, which is useful for making food. Now coming to water. How does a plant get water? See, all the plant have a network of tubes. These tubes are like our straws or water pipes. As with the help of water pipe, you can carry water from one place to other place. In the same way, this network of tubes also absorbs water and give it to other parts of the plant. See, roots absorbs the water and passes it to the stem. Then through stem it is going to the leaves. In leaves, main veins and side veins are there which transport the water to all parts of the leaves and which is helpful for making food. Now, how does a plant get carbon dioxide? All the plants have very tiny holes on the surface of leaves, and these cannot be seen by our simple eyes. We need a microscope to see them. These holes are known as stomata. This stomata helps to take in air, which is carbon dioxide, and it also helps to take out oxygen. And these all ingredients are mixed together and reacted together and they form food. These are formed into food. So what is the food of a plant? The food of a plant is sugar or glucose. When photosynthesis process is conducted, it results into sugar and oxygen. Oxygen is taken out through stomata and food is absorbed by the other parts of the plant. But plant doesn't use all the food made by it. Some of the food is stored, which is extra, is stored in different parts of plant. Some plants are storing food in roots, some plants are storing food in stems, some plants are storing food in leaves. Okay, and these all things are eaten by us. Like carrot plant is storing food in root. So the root part of carrot, which is known as carrot, is eaten by us. Some plants are storing food in stem. like potato. Potato is a stem which is eaten by us. Some plants are storing food in leaves like spinach, cabbage. These are eaten by us. So, this is the photosynthesis process which results in sugar and oxygen.